Greetings, my name is Jacob and I just want to showcase my video skill set by showing people how to destall and then restall a specific hung window. The sash balancer on the right side is right here. We have this A-pin holding it up, this gray metal thing with that footing right there is a sash. So what we're going to do, we're going to pull it down. You can see it's not underneath the sash and the A-pin. I'm going to come back like this, and you'll feel the sash come out like that. And basically the sash is a spring coil, the inside, and then it pulls. So that part goes into the square hole, which is here. Square hole right there. Can't see with the angle of the camera, but that goes in there and then just pulls it to keep it up. The same is true here. So we have the A-frame pin there. And pull it down, pull it out like that, and you'll do it slowly. It comes out. And the same thing is here. See the coil right there. At the bottom is the clip part that goes into the actual hole. So that's how you can replace your sashes right there.